Hello YouTube, this is my 2017 Subaru Outback, and today we're going to change the air filter on it. So we're going to start by popping the hood, and to pop the hood, there's a little icon down here. You pull it, you'll hear that little thud, and then we go up to the front. And then if you reach in here, there is a lever almost dead center of the front. Move it over and lift. So that's what we're looking at to pull the hood up. From there, we'll move over to these two latches. You can simply open them up. Then you can just get in there enough to pull the filter out. There it is. And that is our dirty filter. I'd say it was time for me to change it. How about you? I poked around a bit online. This seemed to do a good job by lots of people. I also saw some good things about wicks, and of course you can use the factory one. Although honestly, if your filter looks like this, anything will be better. But this was a good brand, and it didn't cost much more than a regular one anyway. From there, we're going to go ahead and reinstall. If you look down there, there are these tabs that this box goes into. And you want it to go back into those tabs like that before you do it. It's a lot easier to show what I'm doing before, but those tabs down there in the center of the screen right now is what keeps the bottom in. So you want it to go back into those. Like that. So now we just go ahead and install this. These go, this side faces this direction. I'm pointing towards the front of the car right now. And then we get it actually in the box. Like that. Then we close the tabs up. And from there you're done. We'll go ahead and close the hood. Grab the latch here, bring it about halfway down, and give it a little tap, and it should shut. And you're good to go. Hope this video helps somebody. Thanks for watching.